Okay, so textures, what can they tell us? We've already talked about a couple of textures. We've talked about the aphanitic texture and the phaneritic texture without actually calling them textures. A texture describes the overall appearance of a rock based on the size, shape, and arrangement of mineral grains. This tells us a lot about how the rock was formed, especially if it was formed above or below the Earth's surface. We've talked a little bit about what that means. Specifically, what influences the texture of a rock is the rate of cooling. If it cooled very quickly, then we're not going to see any crystals formed. If it cooled slowly, then we're going to see fewer crystals, but they're going to be much, much larger. If it cooled very quickly, then we're not going to see any crystals formed, such as this texture, this vesicular texture, a frothy texture of this rock pumice. This rock has so much air in it that it floats on water. The only rock that does that. It has an immense amount of dissolved gas in it. So these are the things that influence the type of textures we're going to see and the things that we can tell by looking at textures. So let's see the textures we're going to be responsible for.